okay, returning 14% if you know how to read the chart, that is. Okay, so I have been talking about this stock for a long time. Fortress Minerals. Okay, now Fortress Minerals, I think I have covered it a couple of times. If you have not invested in Fortress Minerals, let me explain to you the story. This is steel industry, okay? This stock is dealing in the business mainly is in Malaysia. So over in Malaysia, there is this government policy that favors the local steel manufacturer. Okay, so all the steel counters are going up, and their earnings, okay, their earnings are up like at least 80% as per the last quarterly earnings reported in February. That is why there are two steel counters listed in Singapore that are Malaysia companies. Okay, so first of all, Fortress Minerals, then the other one is Southern Alliance. Southern Alliance. If you are new to the market, you may not heard of these stocks before, especially Southern Alliance, because this is an IPO stock last June. Okay, so before this rally, it was really not doing much. Okay, you can see the transaction volume is very low. This stock isn't doing much. Okay, but once it swing into the breakout, okay, it went up very high very fast, remind me of Blue Mon. But it is not lah. It is not. I'm just saying the explosive move is shocking, 55% in 3 days. Okay, so if you do not have this Southern Alliance, or rather if you have Southern Alliance, congratulations to you. But if you do not have, and you have Fortress Minerals, not too shabby lah. I would say not too shabby, because at least this counter is returning about 14%. Okay, returning 14% if you know how to read the chart, that is. Okay, so I have been talking about this stock for a long time. Right? So finally, it 苦尽甘来 went up, because you see, this company is doing business in Malaysia, so all the steel companies over there reported very good earnings. I must find a steel counter in Singapore to own. So I searched high and low. The one that I remember, Hub Steel, no longer listed. Okay, back in 2006, we got Hub Steel, we have got Hub Steel, is it HUP? No longer listed. Okay, and we have got HG Metal. HG Metal tak boleh pakai leh, cannot leh. I see the chart like cannot leh. Cannot leh. Alright, so therefore, after I discussed with my members, my Traders Club member, they highlighted this stock to me, Fortress Mineral, and tell me, hey, this is a steel counter. And then I will signal pick it up over here in this box area. Now, if you have come to this training, weekly training for a long time, you will understand this is one good uptrend that we are always interested in. The stock is going up with increasing volume, okay, and it pulls back with low volume, goes up with high volume, pulls back low volume. So at this stage, this is what I always like to call akan datang stage. Akan datang. You know what's akan datang? AK akan datang Malay bahasa, right? That means coming soon. So indeed, breakout finally 14.1%. Now, one of the common question I always get when a stock breakout, right? For example, right here, okay, right here. Now, a lot of investors will be tempted to lock in the profit, okay, to lock in the profit. But my style is, if it is still going higher, okay, it hasn't touched my red line, which is the trailing stop line, it means this counter is trailing. Can you see, if you have bought in February based on the signal you have entered at a low, you can ride the trend all the way until today, 27 cents all the way to 37 cents, no problem. Okay, so long it doesn't close below the red line, so there is really nothing bearish about this stock that should trigger you to sell. Okay, now next is on the way up. Okay, if you see any sell candles, then you should also be prepared to exit the stock. But right now, what we're looking at Fortress is continue to go higher without any sell candle. Now, if you do not know what is sell candle, what is trading stock, then you really need to beef up your trading knowledge, technical analysis knowledge, trading knowledge, okay, so that you can make better informed decision, better than scaring yourself out of this stock yesterday and today you miss further upside. Then tomorrow, if it goes up some more, wow, Thursday night you cannot sleep because you miss a multi-bagger. Am I right? So that is for Fortress Minerals. And another thing about Fortress Minerals is the health check. Now, this health check is done based on the annual report. So based on the annual report, we are looking at the operations is excellent, the cash flow is average, debt level. This is what I always like. If a company has got low debt, I'm very comfortable to hang on to the share and ride the trend because it is less likely to issue rights, okay? It is less likely to raise cash. Now, when I invest in a counter, I hate it when company raise cash, okay? Usually, when the debt level is very high, they may raise cash. And also, if they are making very good money, right? Okay, their earnings is strong, they may also take that chance to raise cash. So that one is very annoying. So best is the company make money, share price going up, along the way give us free shares. Share split lah, bonus shares lah, or free warrants lah, and so on. Then no problem. Okay, so all those goodies only happen to companies who are making profits and not those companies that are making losses. Therefore, one of the criteria for my stock selection is to look for stocks that has got uptrend in their earnings. If a company has uptrend in their earnings, the share price should go up, guys. Okay, I've shown you a lot of times already about this. Like Fortress Mineral is another great example. So if you have missed Fortress Minerals, I want to show you some other companies that are also going up, share price going up, and the earnings are also on an uptrend. Now, Union Gas. Okay, just show you one more Union Gas before we continue. Okay, Union Gas, you can see the okay, just give it some time to load. There you go. Okay, now can you see the earnings trend of this Union Gas is going up? Now, instead of reading numbers, I've also got it. Okay, I have also got the numbers. There you go. This is the full financial numbers of this Union Gas. Okay, you can see the okay, let me go to my earnings momentum. Okay, now you can either look at the numbers and figure out whether this company is making money or not, or you can simply look at my mini graphs over here to get an idea. Take a look at the free cash flow. It is also going higher. Therefore, Union Gas is the company that fits my criteria. Now, every investor has to ask three questions, right? What stocks to buy, and when to sell. So what to buy, I always look out for profitable companies. So if you are using this software, it will be very easy, okay, very easy to find companies that has got making a good uptrend in their earnings.
Please subscribe our YouTube channel and open the